is so good at his groomers. They give him a little fro. I like it though. That man looks so cute, huh? Yes. We walk around that store. Mommy did not bring his carrier in. I'm slow. I am slow. But it's all right. I'm going to just pay for him and get him out of here. I actually like the cut. Yeah, so when I give him a bath, it'll probably be more of his stringy look. But yeah, it looks good. There we go. We got to go. You got to get in your carrier. You look really cute, though. Yes. I don't have no more treats. That lady gave him some treats at the cashier did. But I like his cut. I think he looks good. As long as he's looking trimmed and nice, that's all that matters. She gave him a little collar. It looked kind of girly, but oh well. But yep, he's all done. And we're going to head home. Yeah, so he did really good. She said, you know, they be lying, so I don't know how good he did, but she said he did do good. Oh, I'm starting to wonder if he need a bigger kennel, because I'm not used to seeing him like this, y'all, because he looks so fluffier and different. I guess they blow dry him. Okay, it's time to go. So I can get you home. You probably got to go pee-pee. But he did really good, she said, and I'm just glad he turned out looking cool. I was a little scared how he would look, but you know, they didn't do a full groom on him, but he definitely got washed and blow dry, you can tell, but he looks a lot fluffier. I like his look though. I want him to still look like a boy, but he kind of giving a tiny bit, I don't want to say girly, but just a little softer. But it's okay, because when I wash him again, it won't look like that, because I let him air dry, you know, so it's kind of a different look. I air dry him, then I comb them out after, and it kind of gives a different look. But I guess if you blow dry them first before you comb them out, it's definitely a fluffier look. But yeah, I'm just happy everything went good. He smells a lot better. I definitely smelled him and he was smelling great, so I like whatever they used on him. He didn't fight her, she said, so that was good. So he's doing good. She was getting him used to the noises, like the drill noises. So, you know, he'll start learning that they're not going to harm him in any way once they start getting used to the noises. Even today, I wanted to vacuum. Like, what I do is I'll vacuum upstairs if he's downstairs, and I'll vacuum downstairs if he's upstairs, or whatever, if I said that right. But, so that's what I've been doing. I just haven't vacuumed, like, right next to him because I'm scared, you know, the sound's going to scare him or whatever. But I think he's 16 or 17 weeks now, so he's getting up there, and he's learning how to do stairs. He can go up our stairs. I'm not used to him like coming up the stairs with me because he's never known how. So if I leave him downstairs for a second, I'm always used to him like just waiting at the bottom of the stairs for me. But now he'll be right next to me up the stairs. I'm like, oh my goodness, you're right here. But yeah, so that's basically the end of our grooming day. I might take him pee-pee because I know he probably has to go. She said he did pee on her. He did pee on her though, so he got some pee out. He probably was nervous, so I'm sure that's probably why he peed on her. Because he usually will hold it. He'll hold it for hours and hours. Like, he only wants to go at home in his certain spot in the backyard. Like, that's what he does. He doesn't go pee. Because I took him to the mall for we was there for 3 hours. And in his little stroller, and he would not pee. He did not pee. So I think the nerves is what made him pee. So, okay, we're back home. Yeah, but mommy's gonna get your pill together. So I gotta give him his little pill. His vet put it in this envelope. Okay, like I said, this is the FreshPet. So I'm just going to mash it up. That's what I've been doing, just mashing it up. So I want to have his food ready before I give him the pill. So I don't know if it's nasty or not, and then that way he can just go ahead and eat his food right after he eats takes the pill. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the FreshPet and the cucumbers again for today. So he likes cucumbers a lot, and he likes green beans, green peas a lot. So I just try to add a little vegetable when I can. Sometimes a fruit. He had some cantaloupe this morning. He liked cantaloupe. He likes cantaloupe. What he doesn't like is blueberries. He looks at them like he's mad at you for giving him a blueberry. It's funny. But he does not like blueberries. I don't know why. And I tried the natural peanut butter and he doesn't like it. So I don't know if maybe the regular Jif peanut butter he'll like. But I haven't bought that kind yet. So I thought being a little healthier, get him the natural peanut butter, but nope, he did not like it. So they say give him a half a cup to a cup of that FreshPet. So that's how much I try to give him. And I've only been feeding him twice a day. And then that makes room for his little treats and stuff throughout the day. So I'm not overfeeding him, because at the vet they were acting like he weighed a little more than he was supposed to. I was surprised. But yep, so this is what I'm giving him. And my daughter taught me this technique of cutting smashing the FreshPet down, because I was giving it to him in like the round cube form or whatever it is. And I guess it's a little harder for him to chew it up. He is a small dog, so. All right, so this is how I do it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and give him his heartworm medicine first, and then I'm going to give him his food after. Okay, so yep, that's his meal. Alrighty. All right, so this is the little capsule that they gave me. I'm not sure what brand, I don't know the brands, or if this is something they carry in stores, but this is what the vet gave me, and I purchased it from the vet. So you could probably like research like store brands that they have, but I might even switch over eventually, but I'm not sure. But yeah, oh, okay, it has the weight. So he's 5.6 to 11 pounds. So this is for that size of a dog, pretty much. So yeah, I think he gets this once a month. So this is his second dose of this. And I think he had another one before this, maybe a little smaller, because he was a little less than that. But I believe he's 6'4" right now. So yeah. All right, so I'm gonna open this up. All right, so I put a little Greek yogurt on the peel. I meant to show it to you guys, but I think it dissolves in his mouth. So I'm gonna hurry up and put that in his mouth. Come here, Neo. Come here. Matter of fact, I think I'm just going to put it in his food. And my daughter said just put a little Greek yogurt in it. I meant to show it to you guys. So I'm gonna put it in his food with a little Greek yogurt on it. Okay, so I put it in there with the Greek yogurt, and I'm hoping he'll just eat it and it'll dissolve, because I think it dissolves. Okay, so here you go. I'm gonna put it right here, okay? And you eat all your food, big boy. That's a big boy. He really likes Greek yogurt. So a lot of times I'll mix his regular dog food with the Greek yogurt, because he doesn't like his regular dog food for some reason. So sometimes I just want to make sure he's getting all the nutrients he's supposed to get. So I'll do the regular dog food with a little Greek yogurt, and he'll eat that. So I'm gonna just monitor his bowl and make sure that he takes everything. So hopefully he will not mess around and try to avoid the peel very much. He turned that food up, and it looks like he did eat the peel. And it dissolves real quick, so probably by the time he eats it, it's over with, where he don't have time to spit it out or anything. So and yeah, that man's tearing it up. You ate that food like a good boy. Yes, you did. Yep, and then I like to switch it up sometimes. I like do like the green beans. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, good boy. That's a good boy. Yes. Yes, it's all gone. You tore it up. Yeah, but I'll try to switch it up and do just different things, a little variety of different things. He likes his greens. He likes green peas, green beans, and cucumbers. So, yep. All right, so he had his heartworm. All right, good boy. So today I'm taking Neo on his first walk. He don't know what to do. So we're on the trail. Come on. Yeah. We go walks. So yeah, I'm trying to teach him to go potty other places than our backyard, but he isn't really getting it. He's looking for a scent, I think. So yeah. So we're just going. So I'm gonna just tire him out today, let him get tired, because I had a lot of work today, so I didn't really get him out a whole lot today. So I just wanted to get him a little walk. I hate when his little ear flips over like that. Flip that ear back over. Flip that over. My daughter was talking about his haircut that his little girl did. We're just hoping that it grows back, and then I'm gonna tell her not so much on the face next time. You can't really see it, but I think she was trying to give him that shaved little face. So as you can see, I have a harness on him. I showed you guys that in my essentials video, but this is a harness, so it pretty much is on the back, you know, the front and the back, not around the neck. So I like that. I like how it walks. Really, this is the first time I used it to go for a walk, and I like it. So yeah, they say that you know, it's a lot easier on their neck because you know, the collar being on their neck, they have they have sensitive neck area, and you want to be careful with putting the collar on, walking with a collar. So just trying this out. Yeah, you like it? You want to go some more? Let's go some more. Such a big boy. You are such a good boy, Neo. Like, he has never been on a walk. He's sniffing everything. Oh shoot, I left my water in the truck. But yeah, he is sniffing everything. He just interested in every little thing. It's funny to see. All right, so we're gonna enjoy our little walk and see you guys later. Okay. Let's see if he's right. Hey, baby. Hey, okay, get Wobbies. Good boy. He never drunk out of there. All right, y'all. So I'm on my way to the vet. Poop in tow. I got the poop on me, y'all. I'm going to take it to the vet and let them test it. Hopefully the results come back negative for the parasite, and you know, that's what I'm hoping for. So I'm on my way there now. They never answer the phone, so I just said I'm gonna just come up here. Pretty much that's what I've been doing lately with them, because they don't answer the phone. It's really odd. I don't know why, but they don't answer. So yeah, I got the poop, and I'm just praying that the results come back that he's fine. And it probably will take a couple days, because I don't know if they send it to a lab or how it works, but it usually takes a couple days to get the results. So I'll probably know in a couple days, you know, what his results are. Yep. We had a great walk yesterday. That was his first time walking, and he loved his walk. He was just like stuck at sometimes. Like, we seen a butterfly, he was just looking at the butterfly like, what is that? I mean, he wanted to sniff everything. I let him sniff, like, just sniff around. Okay, go ahead, enjoy your life. So he was just sniffing everything. He seen a butterfly. He seen these two ladies. These girls had him stuck. It was some pretty girls at the park, and he was just stuck. Like, who are these girls? They like me. They saying how cute I am. I think he likes ladies, y'all. I think he likes girls. So yeah, he was just like stuck looking at them ladies for a good minute. I'm like, come on, let's go. He just is looking at them walk, like, yeah. So that was just really fun to see him on the trail walking, and just, you know, just seeing the nature and seeing what the world looked like, pretty much, you know, because he really only goes to the vet. He's been to Petco, our house, and our backyard. So that's really all he's pretty much done. We did go to the mall. Actually, he's been to the mall before in his stroller. I got him a stroller, so he's been to the mall too. But yeah, it's just fun to see him seeing different things. So it's really cute. And the harness, I really like the harness on the walk, y'all, because it stays on their back. So I think it's a little easier to walk him with the harness. So that's what I use, this harness set. So yeah, I like that. And it's not pulling on their necks, you know. So they have sensitive necks, and you don't want to just be pulling on their necks while they're walking them. I wasn't pulling him a lot anyway. I was letting him just free walk anyway, because he wanted to just investigate everything. But yeah, we had a great time. So I'm about to go in here and give them this poop. See what they say. All right, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. to get this fecal testing. Yes, for Neo. And yeah, so he did his medicine, and they told me to bring back a sample to get tested. Yes. Oh, you could donate items here? Oh, wow. What about like treats or something? Oh, yeah, because I had some treats that he didn't like. That's nice. You guys, I didn't know they was going to charge me again to get the sample, the fecal sample. So I'm checking out, and she's like, that'll be 43. I'm like, another 43. These dogs can get pricey, so I guess I gotta go pay 43. I didn't even know. I didn't bring my card in because I wasn't expecting to pay. Yeah, so it's gonna be $43 for the fecal sample to get it tested again. So going back in. Okay, card. Thanks. They'll call me with the results.
Typically,
Oh.
but you can, if you don't hear from us, feel free to call or text in.
Can I text? Because I don't know, sometimes you guys don't answer.
It is,
Hard to do.
if you want to text, that's perfectly fine.
Text to work?
That pops right up on my screen.
Oh, does it? Okay, and then you just let me know the results. Because sometimes they don't call you if it's negative, huh? Okay. All right, well, thank you so much. Okay. You too. So I'm going to definitely call next week to check it out. All right. Okay, I got good news. So Neo is free and clear of the Giardia. I think that's how you pronounce it. So I didn't even know they sent an email, but his results came back negative, and I'm just so happy. So I feel a lot better taking him out places now because, you know, I just felt a little like paranoia. Like he has this going on. I had scheduled at a groomer's appointment, and you know, just him being around the house, you just never know. I mean, it's a parasite and a puppy is scary. So now that he's free and clear, I feel a lot better. They said that sometimes it could be passed from the mom dog to her babies. Sometimes it could come from the breeder, or sometimes it can come from like wherever you take them outside, or you like, you know, got into some infested poop or whatever you call it. So, you know, I'm thinking it had to come from the breeder. That's just what I feel. But I'm just happy that he is free and clear. He's negative on that. If you guys ever encounter that with your pet, they just gave me antibiotics, I believe, and then the stuff I sprinkled over his food for like 3 days. And that was pretty much what I had to do. And I was afraid they were gonna say it was still positive, because I had seen a video where a lady's dog kept getting reinfected. And, you know, I was worried about that, but she said he's clear, he's negative, so I feel a lot better. Yeah, so that's just great news for me, because I was worried. You know, he had it for a little while and I didn't even know about it. So yeah, basically that's what I've been going through, but everything is clear now. He's negative, so I feel a lot better. So I'm gonna go get him and I'll be right back. Okay, you get your treats for no Giardia anymore. Good boy. So we're so happy that he is negative. Yes, he's gonna be a good boy. And he's gonna pee-pee outside all the time. Yes, he's gonna pee-pee outside all the time and be a good boy. I wanna thank you guys for watching our dog vlog. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and comment below your thoughts, okay? And I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, bye. Say bye. Say roof. Good boy. Good boy.